go! Ah, here! That's it! Southweb! Bilisan mo! The one thing I despise about Makati is the parking. And I'm carrying a lot of things, so finally I found it. Hello Explorer, it's Nat again from the Traveling Foxes. If you're new to my channel, I love sharing adventures and activities to inspire the wanderlust within you. For today, we are doing another adventure here in Manila. It is going to be a playground for adults, which I love. As you know, I love adventures, but it's not all the time that I can go out there and explore. So today, I invited my same friends as you see in the vlogs, in the previous vlogs, and we're gonna check it out. But before that, I have to get some work done. So we are meeting in a cafe here in the Ayala Triangle. And man, this place has actually changed quite a little bit ever since I used to work here in 2017. I used to work just around the corner, somewhere in Valero if I remember right, but this place is beautiful. Yeah, let's take you guys around this area, Ayala Triangle. Oh, the cafe is actually really cute though.
Thank you.
I like it. Yeah, it's the first time.
It's nice.
What is this? Gift?
Yes,
Thank you.
It's a 30-second announcement. It's easier if I bring coffee, shower, use this. Especially when I fly, this is easy. Because this is 200 ml. Sometimes they won't allow you, so I would rather than.
Wow! It looks yummy.
I know.
I think me and Meg are splitting our breakfast because this is massive. In a good way, I love it.
It's a mess.
It's massive. So we have space for dessert.
And then? Okay lang, basta I thought you didn't want sunny side up. Benedict! Ang hyper nila, samantala parang ako wala ka energy.
That's why you have big breakfast. So you didn't know there was a park in Ayala Triangle?
Hindi ko alam.
So what do you think Ayala Triangle was?
Like a triangle.
Illuminati
daw.
Oh my God! I mean, may sense naman. A triangular area.
Diba? Balik ko bang offices din to?
True.
Wow. Exchange right there.
Pag-exchange.
Diba? Makikita mo lang. Ay, sabi ko, ay, ang fancy pag nadadaanan mo, diba? Balik ko bang may park inside? Why not the whole photo? Bakit ba post ko to?
This one?
Oo, buti na lang. Ang bait ng yung driver. Baba lang po ako magtatanong ako sa guard. Thank you, kuya.
Porkit celebrity eh.
Gagi, hindi.
Wala yan.
Gagi.
Diyan ka lang, ma'am. Diyan ka lang.
Tangi, hindi niya naman ako kailandan. Naka-ano ko.
Alright, so we will be doing
siyang aftertaste.
Yes, like that. I love
Taste
it. New products I am planning to bring in. Leave your don't comment yet.
Yeah.
Guys, yeah, write it down so like
Yeah,
you can't like
I
be
will.
influenced by the other person. Do we go on to the second taste tester or just go? Because you could do.
Wait lang.
Teka.
Kalma ka, Bibi. Kalma, Bibi.
Alright, now for the second one, palate cleanse.
Yeah! Ew, gross! May tinga-tinga pa yan from kanina. Alam mo, kadiri kayo.
Ito pala yung Makati.
Oh, there's a garden pala here. I didn't know.
Makati pala to. Bakit tawag Makati?
Kasi it's itchy. What do you expect here?
I
Is it
expect
difficult or... Difficulty level?
I'll come out half alive.
My expectations is Meg will join us pa rin.
Kasi hindi siya ganun kahirap. Ganun.
Because it's not, you don't need shoes and it's aircon in here.
You don't need shoes, ha?
You can see.
No shoes pala eh. We're going to go.
Expectations mo.
Ha? Nothing. So boring. I go with the flow. Boring friend.
Wait, just join us na lang. Then we won't force you naman to do anything soon.
We won't force you to compete.
But you will judge me.
Of
course. Of course, it's part of it.
Of course, we're Filipino. We judge our friends.
We judge our friends.
So 20 minutes to finish the whole thing. Look at that.
Oh. Ano na, Megs? Ano na, Megs?
Kailangan, taki na lang.
Megs, sana stretch mo.
Nanonood ako eh.
Stop your restart. Agree.
Meg, your watch.
You have your own sign.
Yep.
Tap in then.
Ay.
Green check mark. Yes, you're good to go, ma'am.
Meg, tap in, tap in. What do I do? Tap in. Tap in.
Okay, and then where do we go?
Where do we go?
Here. Oh, here.
All of us? All of us? Okay, okay. Listen mo! Nag-tap kayo, nag-tap!
Yup. Yes.
Where's the next? Go! Here! Next! Southward! Bilisan mo! Maggie! timing. Let's do it. What happened?
Oh no!
How do we exit?
Why am I doing this? Nahuli.
Power wall. Power wall! No. This is like the longest 20 minutes I've felt.
My God! Dad, sabi mo di ako papawisan dito.
How was it, Sam?
Perfect for 20 minutes. Challenge accepted. That was a lot of fun. Yeah. But you need a lot of upper body strength. No?
Meg, musta? Musta, Meg?
Papagalitan na ako ng sponsor ko. Uy, pwede tama, green screen. Green screen,
Oh my God.
Kaya effects. The total scores.
Meg first.
At the lowest, I'm so short. Score na hits muna. Hits is 65.
Score.
9,500.
Yo.
67, 9450.
80.
Wow.
11,500.
Wow.
Sam wins. I'm 79 at 11,350.
Tara, libre ko kayo. Ice cream lang ah.
1 point. I'm 1 point away from you. I'm 1 point away
shit.
from you. I'm 79.
Oh my God! Oh my God! Eh, nagpa-vlog ka kasi.
Siguro
Nice
wala
one.
siyang
Nice
hawak
experience
yan.
though. Nice. Fun.
You wanna alight with water?
Yeah. Injured.
So much fun though. Highly recommend.
She wasn't even prepared.
I know.
Adrenaline rush.
Her outfit.
They excuse us guys.
Good
Like
job,
they said 20 minutes. We finished it in 17.
I didn't do anything. I'm not even prepared.